Alright class, welcome. Today we're diving into a fascinating area of psychology known as choice architecture. Essentially, it's about how the presentation of choices influences the decisions we make. Think about it. Have you ever been overwhelmed by too many options at the grocery store? Or maybe you've signed up for a default option without even realizing it. These are all examples of how choice architecture is at play. Now, one key aspect of choice architecture is framing. How something is framed, whether positively or negatively, can significantly impact our choices. For example, studies show people are more likely to choose a surgery with a 90% survival rate than one with a 10% mortality rate, even though they represent the same outcome. This is because the positive framing emphasizes the potential gains. Then we have the concept of defaults. Setting a default option, like automatically enrolling employees in a retirement plan, can dramatically increase participation rates. People tend to stick with the default, even if it's not the objectively best option for them. Interestingly, this also applies to organ donation. Countries where organ donation is the default option have much higher donation rates than opt-in countries. Incidentally, this whole area also intersects with behavioral economics and has significant implications for policy design. Finally, there's the notion of nudges. These are subtle interventions that encourage specific behaviors without restricting choices. For example, placing fruit at eye level in a cafeteria can nudge people towards healthier options. Similarly, using smaller plates can reduce food waste. Now, some critics argue that nudges are manipulative, but proponents argue they can be used for the greater good, promoting public health or environmental sustainability. So, to wrap things up, choice architecture shows us that how we present choices can be just as important as the choices themselves. It's a powerful tool that can be used to shape behavior in various contexts, from marketing to public policy.